This is a short demonstration talking about the new Course Accessibility Report feature in Ally for those institutions using Canvas. Important to note, this feature is functioning as an LTI, so there will need to be some technical work done on your side in order for the Course Accessibility Report to show up. Once that work has been done, you would select your course, and then off on the left-hand navigation in Canvas towards perhaps the bottom, there's a option that says Accessibility Report. By selecting that, that will launch the Course Accessibility Report. A quick tour at the very top. There's the score on the top on the left-hand side showing the overall course score. We have the name of the course identified right next to that. And then we have a couple of different pathways by which faculty members can look at the content and hopefully remediate it. The first pathway is the area on the left side of the screen with all of the colors. It's a pie chart, but there's also a table next to it identifying the type of content that's in the course. So images, there are 16, pages, there are 12. In this case, pages referring to Canvas pages, PDF, there are 9, Word documents 8, and so on. There's a Start button at the bottom on the left. By selecting Start, that will take the faculty members to a list of the documents that are in the course, or a list of the content items. This is showing up in a table format. We have the name of the file, we have number of issues in a second column, and in the third column we have the overall score for that particular item. By selecting that indicator, and in this example I'm looking at a hummingbird PNG, it's an image file, there are 2 issues, it has a 0% score. When I select 0%, it's going to launch the instructor feedback, which has the name of the document, the score of that document, the main issue that's wrong with it, as well as all of the issues that one can see. And per usual, faculty members can use this instructor feedback to fix their source files, or in this case, fix the missing alt text right within the instructor feedback. So I'll close that and go back. So that's the first way by which a faculty member can look at their content. What is likely going to be the most popular way is the second pathway, which is at the kind of in the middle off on the right hand side. It's content with the easiest issues to fix. Easiest issues to fix are some of the lower hanging fruit, and it's again very similar to the first pathway. It's going to identify the documents, number of issues, and the overall score. I'll choose the Back to Overview button. The third pathway is fix low scoring content. Low scoring content in this case is typically your red dials, content that is below a 34%. I can press Start, get a list of content items. I can select the indicator to launch the instructor feedback. I anticipate that more context is going to be added on the right hand side, where it has a little bit of information about low scoring content items, 16 out of 54. I've seen some mock-ups where there's been more text there, but as this is only a couple months old, I anticipate that context to be filled in over the next coming releases. So, and if I continue to scroll down, the last pathway by which a faculty member can explore the issues in their course are by a specific accessibility issue. So for example, we have the issues listed by severity. We have the first severe issue is document scanned but not OCR'd. There's one item affected. If I select that row, it's going to take me to a list of files or content items that have that issue. By default, it's going to show the most severe at the top, and then it will have the major issues, and there's so many issues in this demo course that it goes to a second page of showing the minor issues as well. So if you don't want to see the major issues first, the faculty member can actually sort the column where they see the minor issues, perhaps, or the content with the most issues. That's a column that you can sort and see. So in this example, the image does not have a description. There are 11 instances of that issue. And with that, it's pretty straightforward. This is only a couple months new. It came out early August. So we anticipate the main interface to stay the same, but for some of the other things to be refined. If you have other questions, please let me know. And yeah, we're very excited about this.